Hi, welcome to the Week 13 overview. In Week 13, we're going to wrap up micro-teaching and you're going to participate in a unit plan workshop with other members of the class. We're going to meet synchronously. All that information is here, video, objectives. Let's walk through the steps now. In the synchronous meeting materials folder, you're going to find those Danielson sheets, the same ones that you had for Week 12, because you'll use those again for your micro-teach assignment. Then the first step is, if you're a micro teacher, make sure you're ready. By now, you also already know the drill for this. So for step 2, you're going to watch this video on finalizing your unit plan. And this video was recorded for an earlier semester, but the information is still the same. So when you click here, it's going to pull up this voice thread and you can walk through it and it will talk about each aspect of that final unit plan assignment. And then all of the directions are in the summative assessments folder, including some new documents, the unit plan cover letter directions, and the unit plan rubric. So you can take a look at those. And then, so the last thing you'll do is you'll post your complete unit plans by the start of class. This is just going to be graded complete, incomplete. You're not going to get any feedback from the professors, but you'll need to have that available because during class, and so you can see, you can go here and then you can reply and post. During class, you will get feedback from peers to help you finalize your assignment. All right, well, that's it for Week 13. We hope this overview has been helpful.